My bike is red. It's a BSD Beverage frame, 21-inch top tube. Don't have a clue about the rest of the spec and crap. It's BSD WZA bars, 28 wide by 8.5 rise. Got OV3 forks, BSD in red. Eclat tybia cranks. They spin in circles. Eclat Slash Metal pedals.
Eclat.
Oh, shut up, you posh twat. Metal, because I'm just double R. I firm everything. Wethepeople front loader stem. It's nice. It's got a well cool thing at the back. That's the reason I like it. Because it's like zigzag shizzle. Should I turn the lights on?
Nah, I think you could. Yeah, you can see.
Get some lighting in here.
That'll do.
Fly Bikes headset with an FSA thing. Tesco's gave me this. It's good, Dad. I've had that for about 2 years because I'm extremely street. I'm not really. G-Sport Ribcage rim on the G-Sport front hub with 2 BSD Hub Guards and 2 shadow pegs. It's a good wheel, has a lifetime warranty. G-Sport, same rim on the back with a G-Sport hub with a BSD and a metal DSG that's been filed down to fit because G-Sports are idiots and I don't make a driver side hub guard. Odyssey 8-kin P-like tyres, which are absolutely shite because the second you put them on you pump it up and it gets a massive bulge, and that's without even riding it. I literally just pumped a wheel up. Odyssey Chasehawk grips, black, they're well long and they have flanges, second pair, I like them. Odyssey Parr ends, best Parr ends in the world, last forever. I'll see. Some black fat BSD seat with the black BSD Seat Post. NDS sprocket, some chain, dunno, it's black. Animal bottom bracket. If you want to know what tubes I've got, you're a fucking weirdo. Yeah, it's red. Robert Lee, Facebook me. I do.